Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It hasn't stopped raining since last night and I can't stop eating chocolates because it's that kind of weather. I feel absolutely rubbish. And I had planned something else to shoot today, but this rain is driving me mad and I need to make something that will cheer me up and lift me up, and then I can make some extra when everyone gets back home from their school and work and everything. So I'm gonna make deliciously crispy, thin, beautiful, lovely chili garlic potato pakoras. You heard that right. And they are super simple to make and it'll be ready in minutes. So I'm gonna quickly make that, make a cup of tea and enjoy it. So let's get cooking. Before that, don't forget to subscribe. That's it. Easy. So the kind of specific thing that I do need is a mandolin, and I am not a big fan of using this because this is very sharp and I don't like the idea of slicing my fingers. Be careful when you use this. Also, if you don't have this and if you don't want to chance it, then just use a sharp knife and cut into really thin slices. And I'm gonna fill this bowl with just some cold tap water. I've got my chopping board ready. I've got a bowl of cold water and I've got a kadhai or a big pan to deep fry. And I'm just using some rapeseed oil. You could use any oil you normally use for deep frying basically. So I've got all the bits ready. As always, I'm going to use the red potatoes. They are my favorite. They're great all-rounders. And I'm just going to slice them up. Seriously, so beautifully thin. We're never going to get this thin by hand, but when my mom makes these pakoras, she doesn't use a mandolin. She just does it by hand, so you don't have to have that. Oh, got even the last bit. Look at that, it's just so thin. So all of this goes into the water because I don't want them to start getting dark. I've got a couple of bits to get ready. So currently I'm just going to make one potato's worth because that's quite a lot of pakoras. That's what the weather is doing. Shucking it down since last night. Absolutely miserable. Okay, so in goes, that should be enough for one whole potato. 70 grams of gram flour. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of ajwain or carom seeds. Yesterday I found this chili garlic oil in the Asian supermarket, so I've just got to try it. Look at that, so it looks so good. But if you don't have that, just add some chopped up chilies and some chopped up garlic. I'm gonna give this chili garlic oil a go. Now I'm just going to add some water. I don't know if you can, but the rain is literally chucking it down. Anyways, I've got 100 ml of water to start with. As always, don't add all. You'll know when to stop. I'm going to take a little whisk. Basically, we want like a pancake style batter. So this is really quite thick. I need another 50 ml. Now to check if the oil is hot, I'm just going to add a drop of. That's it. It should immediately bubble up. I'm going to turn it to medium. Get my potato thins here. Get a couple of kitchen rolls. I don't want them to be very wet. So I'm just going to get a few out. Just going to wipe them down a little bit and then dip it in here. Just gonna get some kitchen roll to line the plate so it gets the excess oil absorbed. They're beautifully golden, and that is enough time for the potatoes to cook as well. And while this second round is just frying, I'm going to quickly make a little yogurt dip. Just take 3 to 4 tablespoons of thick Greek yogurt and add a little pinch of salt, a little pinch of ground cumin and a little pinch of chili, and then just stir it in. Just gonna drizzle a tiny bit of the same garlic chili oil. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. You can just serve this yogurt with any kind of snacky stuff. You can also serve this pakora with some coriander mint chutney. Recipe on the channel. And that's it, guys. Here is a plate of piping hot chili garlic potato pakoras. My mouth is watering. The rain I just showed you is chucking it down. This tip looks absolutely wonderful. I'm not sure I should have made such a big plate for myself. I'm home alone and there is a full chance. Obviously, one person can eat that, but shouldn't in one go. Who's going to stop me? Oh my God, guys, I really hope you try this. I really, really hope. It's magical stuff. Absolutely. I need to stop eating so I can say bye to you. I really hope you try this. This is a perfect small plate. You can serve it as starters, as snacks. Weekend, weekday, it takes minutes to make. And that tip is awesome. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you back here very soon with another new recipe. Bye for now. It's naughty, naughty stuff.